Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll in order to find About Tablet. Now we have to localize the build number, which should be somewhere in the software information. So let's tap on it and then let's localize it. As you can see, it is right here. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the developer options has been enabled. So now we have to go back to this left section. And after scrolling down again, you can see that the developer options will appear right under the About Tablet. So let's tap on it, and there we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to turn on the predictive bug animations. We can force activities to be resizable. Here we've got the option to simulate the color space. We can change the transition animation scale, show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB options, etc. So really a lot of options to customize. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it. So basically it works just like in the regular settings. As you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off in the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, again simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Simply tap on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. What is more, the developer options will disappear from this list on the left, so you cannot see it under the About Tablet. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping to activate the developer options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.